Hello everyone, I am Mayank Tripathy and you are watching my channel. Today I am going to tell you about my project repository that is Neon Nirvana by Intel. So before starting it off, I'll give you a brief introduction about what is Nirvana. Actually, this repository has got 834 folks and 3,723 star marks, and it is being watched by 367 users. So before going in detail, we'll check the overview of Neon. So the overview says welcome to Neon. So there are 5 points which will be showing you the typical workflow of Neon. First, the thing it does is generate a backend. The backend defines where the computations are executed in Neon. The Neon supports CPU, MKL, and GPU. The second point is load data. Neon supports loading of both common and custom datasets. Data should be loaded as Python iterator, providing one mini batch of data at a time training. Third point is specify model architecture. So create your model by providing a list of layers. For layers with weights, provide a function to initialize the weights prior to the training. Fourth point says you have to train the model. To train a model, provide the data cost function and an optimization algorithm updating the model's weight. To modify the learning rate over the training time, provide a learning schedule as well. And the fifth and the major point is evaluate. Evaluate a trained model based on a validation dataset and provide metric. I'll provide the link of this page into my description. You can see it whenever you want to. So these are the features writing here. You just have to click the link. So let's go back to the project. So there are further files being mentioned into the repository. The first two or three files that's been in doc, they are totally files of copyrights from Nirvana, and the Docker file is just of copyrights as well. In the examples, you will see what are the different examples being contributed into this, and after that, all these files makes mean to you. Let's start off with the installation process. To install, you have to since I'm using OS X, so you have to make sure that if you're using Ubuntu, so you have to make sure that you have Python pip installed into your system and virtual env, h5py, pyml, and package configuration. For Ubuntu users, you have to run this into your command prompt, and for macOS users, you have to run these commands into a terminal. You got to run a virtual environment to use this as a single platform. So these commands may be uh, useful for you. These are the several points which are mentioned in the page. Even I'll enclose the description of this page into my video at the end. So as it says, Neon is Intel's reference deep learning framework committed to best perform on all hardware, designed as ease and use of extensibility. As I told you earlier, to install Neon, you got to run these commands into your terminal. You have to install pip. After the end of video, you will find the link of the page of the GitHub page into the description. And thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.